Let's be honest. There are days you open your laptop, stare at the screen, and think, I don't belong here. You scroll through other hackers' write ups, see their big bounties, their conference talks, their credentials, and that little voice whispers, you're not good enough. But here's the truth, every single person you look up to has felt that exact same thing. Even the best, especially the best. What separates them isn't confidence, it's courage. The courage to keep showing up despite the doubt. Imposter syndrome isn't proof you don't belong. It's proof you care. It means you're pushing beyond your comfort zone, that you're growing. Because comfort feels easy, growth never does. Every new scope, every first time exploit, every public talk, it all starts with fear. But growth doesn't ask for perfection. It only asks that you try. I've seen brilliant hackers quit before they even got started. Not because they lacked skill, but because they believed they didn't deserve a seat at the table. And yet, the irony is this. The table doesn't need more people who think they're perfect. It needs more people willing to learn, experiment, and fail publicly, so others can learn too. You don't overcome imposter syndrome by becoming fearless. You overcome it by taking action while you're still scared. By replacing I don't know enough with I'm willing to learn. Because courage isn't the absence of doubt. It's the decision to move forward with it. No one starts as an expert in cybersecurity. The best researchers you know today started exactly where you are. Confused, curious, and questioning themselves. But here's what they did differently. They turned that doubt into drive. They used their insecurity as fuel for growth. And every time they felt like an imposter, they chose to keep contributing anyway. So here's the shift. Stop asking, am I good enough? Start asking, who can I help with what I know today? Because impact doesn't come from perfection. It comes from progress, empathy, and generosity. The moment you start sharing what you're learning, you stop being an imposter and start becoming an inspiration. So the next time you feel that doubt creep in, remember, it's not a sign you don't belong. It's a sign you're leveling up. Don't let imposter syndrome silence you. Let it shape you. Turn that doubt into discipline. Turn that fear into focus. Turn that insecurity into impact. Because the world doesn't need a flawless version of you. It needs a real one who keeps showing up. This is Bug Bounty and Beyond, where we go from imposter syndrome to impact. If this message hits home, share it with someone who doubts their place in cybersecurity. You never know whose confidence you might help build. See you next Sunday.